Everyone, and welcome to Ghanem Marketing. Today I will show you how you can create your Facebook pixel code and how you can install this pixel code inside your website. So the first thing you have to do here, you will go to Business Manager, All Tools, Pixels, Setup, Install Pixels. Manually install pixel code. Scroll down. You will copy this pixel code, or you can email this pixel code to your web developer. So right here, guys, I'm gonna copy it. Go to my website. Right here, I'm at my website in the dashboard. Then after that, you'll go to plugins, add new plugins, insert header and footer, then paste this code inside. So I'll go to insert header and footers. You're gonna paste this pixel code in the header. And that's it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.